Morning, top of the morning, back at it again. Not a video, and we're looking at the Nasdaq. So this is a review of yesterday's trade, or a more of a note to self type of a thing. You know what? I'm gonna just make this a journal entry. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. So journal entry, note to self. It's gonna be so crazy rewatching this when I'm like 32 in 2030. Nah, 2030 I'll be 33 in 2030, nah. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, 2030 I'll be 33. Today I'm 26. So looking back on these, and with the fact that I would have stuck to trading, is gonna be so crazy. I can't wait to see it. But anyway, enough of that. You know, it's a personal thing either way. So yeah, I really shouldn't feel bad. Yeah, I shouldn't feel bad at it at all. Yeah, journal entry one, bro. So we took a sell yesterday. It's this price run here. Looking at it now, I had trailed my stop to take profit above that doji there, right? Above that doji, with the expectation that the liquidity or these relative equal lows would get swept, but price didn't. You know what I'm saying? I was going to leave it at break even, and then, but I would have been stopped at break even. So in retrospect, I'm happy I took my profit, right? I'm I'm even more like happier that I know what I know now, because I didn't do what I should have done at the time, which is I should have been out around about here. But as you go down in the time frames, you'll see what I mean, and I'll give you more of a breakdown on the trade. So it's gonna start on the hourly chart. This was when my conviction was confirmed for real, because initially I wanted to go long, I think, right? And then it went short, and then I was like, okay, let me chill, and then it switched up. But you can see here, yesterday it had been a pretty heavy day. Price had been selling off. What first caught my attention was this here, that fair value gap inside this order block there. You know, I saw that and I was like, huh, okay. I went down to a lower time frame. So lower time frame, we took out liquidity. See the Mohawks, 1, 2, 3. That's just like hinting or tipping its hand that, yo, we about to dip. We about to dip. So sharp, I think I was in like somewhere here. This push here in this direction. It came back up to trade into the order block. Got short there. And then it was very uncomfortable, man. Like selling as price is pushing up, or buying as price is pushing down. It's really an unnatural feeling. I want I want to get better at it, especially in areas where liquidity or stop orders sit. You know, I feel like that would really allow us to enter like crazy trades, like Turtle Soups, for example. Yeah, Turtle Soups. So cool. My thing is, at the time I go to the 1H, right? My eye goes here in terms of I mean, none of this one. Yeah, in terms of draw on liquidity. What is that? In terms of draw on liquidity, it was on the 5, right? Yeah, draw on liquidity. I'm looking at this fair value gap over there, right? Or even the one beneath that. That's what I'm looking at as an area for price to gravitate towards. And I still am convinced that we will see that area tapped into. So now I'm in this move, man. It was like, wow, 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 wow. And we sold off hard. Like, we sold, bro. We sold off so hard. And now I can see this fair value gap here. And a part of me is like, yo, close the trade. But then I was like, nah, we're gonna go for that downside objective. And this is like late in the afternoon, brother. This is like You know what I'm saying? Like 3:30, 25 past 3. I was expecting us to continue selling off. Do I not close, bro? I didn't close it. I was like, nah, I'm gonna chill. This candle closed. This candle did what it did. I'm still not closing, bro. I can see it's like it's consolidating. Let me go to down to the. Let me just say 5. And I'm watching this thing, bro. Like it's consolidating. It's doing all these weird things. I'm like, yo, just push out. But it was telling me like, yo, brother, get out of the position. I'm about to reverse. So what I did, I trailed my stop, like price. In my mind, I was like, this is just a fair value gap. It'll just like trade back into it. So I allowed it to go back up here, and then go back. It still gave me another opportunity. I still didn't. You know what I'm saying? Granted, the platform, there's no excuse, but next time, don't trade while on the bed, lying back on the phone, texting a hand, listening to music. Like fully focused, dog. Fully focused. You gotta take this shit serious. But anyway, I'll go down to the 1 minute. So like it's like gyrating, it's consolidating, it's doing a whole lot. You see all of this action. I should have known that this is accumulation occurring now, and it's about to reverse. But anyway, I had a stop. It came down. The initial or first time, I had my stop loss like over there, right? And then it did its thing, did its thing, did its thing, and it closed me out. And I was like fine with it. I was like, okay, whatever, you know. And then it was gone. So in retrospect, fair value gap to fair value gap, brother. Don't be greedy. We take small surgical pieces consistently. You know, the equity curve has been nice and steady going up. We just need to continue with that form. And yeah, this would have been how many points? It's about 63. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. In future, I'll look to take profits like at logical areas like this. Um, and further on work on my entries and my trade management. That's really what we're on now. So yeah. Thank you for never giving up, bro. Thank God for the skill, and we'll tap in next time.